Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku of the additional newspaper of Friday, March the 20th. This is a Two Stars Sudoku, the second one, and today we have 5 extra one bonus during the Corona crisis. So let's get started with the second Two Stars Sudoku. Alright. I see here 1 in the third row, a 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 1 should be here. Then a 7 in this column, a 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 7 should be here. Those two numbers, missing numbers, are the 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. I see here 4 in this row, a 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 4 is here and there. But I see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. The 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then a 3 in the last row, a 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for a 3 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. I see there an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8. Should be this one. Then we go to number 3 in this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 3, should be this one. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. And then we go to this big square. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 6 and 7. I see here 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be here. 2 and 7 are left. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for a 7 is here and there. But we have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for a 7 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are 1, 5, and 9. 1, 5, and 9. I see here 1 and 5, so no 1 and 5 in this box. So the 1 and the 5 should be in one of those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left is for the 9. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. They are 9. So no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be in one of those 2 boxes. So we have a 9 in this row and 9 in those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box is left for this big square for the number 6. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 8 are missing in the second big square. 4 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this third row for the number 8. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for our 2 should be here and there. But we have already a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. Two numbers missing in this row, the first row for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 5, and 9. That's 6, 8. Yes. The middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4 here. Here also a 4, no 4 there. In the middle column we have also a 4, so no 4 there. 1 box left for this row. For the 4 should be this one. Yes, 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. Here also a 3, no 3 there. Here a 3, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be here. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 5, and 9. In the middle row, 1, 5, and 9. We have a 1 and a 9. here, so no 1 and a 9 there. 1 digit left for the 5. So here we have 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Remember that for later, for more information. I can fill this yet. I cannot fill this yet. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the last column, the only place for 5 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9 are missing. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 7. 1 missing number in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yeah, 6 is missing. Then so 7, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2, 3. 3 should be here. 2, 3, and 4. No, we have a 4. 2, 3, and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. So the 3 and the 9 as a pair, we have this in the column. So this should be a 2, 1 digit left for the 2. 1, 9, 1. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. So these 3 numbers are 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. We have a 2 and a 5. That means 1 digit left for the 1. So these 2 are pairs, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. 3 and a 9, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, that means these 2, 2 and a 5, these 2 are 9 and the 8. 9 and the 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Those 2 numbers are 1 and the 5. Here also in this row, 1 and the 5. Here also the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the 5. 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for a 1 is here and there. But we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 9 and 2 numbers left in this second column for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left of this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I remember here those two numbers in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes here. Then the 9. Yes, 2 numbers left of this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes here. So finish in 16 minutes. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Subscribe on this channel if you like. Thank you for now, and I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 4 stars. 4 stars. I hope I will solve this within 1 hour. Otherwise, I will drop this Sudoku. Thank you for now, and bye-bye.